Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Ollama on your Windows computer. Ollama is an open source platform that lets you run large language models locally, so you can generate text, assist with coding, and create content privately and securely right on your own device. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and go to the official Ollama website, ollama.com. On the homepage, click Download, then click Download for Windows, and the setup file will start downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. The installer window will open. Click Install to begin the setup. If Windows shows a user account control message saying, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?" Go ahead and click Yes. The installation will continue and may take a few minutes. Once the setup is finished, click Close to exit the installer. Now let's verify that everything is working correctly. Press the Windows key and type CMD, then open Command Prompt. Inside the Command Prompt window, type Ollama -- version. If you see the version number appear, that means Ollama has been installed successfully. Next, you can download and run your first AI model. For example, to download and run Llama 3, type Ollama run Llama 3. The model will start downloading. Once it's ready, you can start chatting with it directly inside Command Prompt. If you prefer a user interface, you can also open the Ollama app and use it. And that's it. You now have Ollama installed on your Windows PC and you're ready to run powerful AI models locally, even without an internet connection. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments which AI tools you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Well,